Hey guys, welcome to summer tutorial. Myself Manish, and in this lecture I am going to tell you about redox reaction. Guys, this topic is actually of 11th chemistry, but this is also helpful for those students who are in 10th standard. Okay, so what do you mean by a redox reaction? Okay, we will see its basic. Okay, it's basic to advanced level. We will see about it. What do you mean by redox reaction? Its uses. Okay, where it is used, where we observe this redox reaction in our daily life. Okay, so let's start. Redox reaction, as you can see, redox is, if I split this redox, okay, then what I get? Red and ox. Red is nothing but, it is the abbreviation of what? Reduction. Okay, and ox means it is nothing but oxidation. Understood? Reduction and oxidation when occurs simultaneously, then that is called redox reaction. Okay, what do you mean by oxidation? Oxidation is what? It is very simple. Adding of oxygen, okay, adding of oxygen is with any element or substance is called what? Oxidation. For example, you can see here, you can also observe that when we burn any paper, okay, then in presence of oxygen, then what is formed? Carbon dioxide is removed. Okay, here you can see carbon is, okay, oxygen is added with this carbon and carbon dioxide is get formed. Okay, in this what happens? Which reaction takes place? Nothing but your oxidation. If I give you another example, then you can see here also when we burn magnesium ribbon, then also in presence of oxygen it gives what? 2 MgO. Okay, magnesium oxide means what? Here also oxidation takes place. Okay, what happens? Oxygen is added in the reactant to form product. Okay, this is also an example of what? Oxidation, adding of oxygen. Okay, what do you mean by reduction? What do you mean by reduction? Reduction is what? You can see, reduction is nothing but adding of hydrogen is our reduction. Okay, like adding of oxygen is called oxidation. In the same way, adding of hydrogen is what? Reduction. For example, in this you can see, in this example, what is this? There is 2 carbon and there is a double bond between the 2 carbon. That is what? This is your ethene. Okay, when ethene combines with hydrogen, what we get? Simple alkene. Which alkene is that? Which alkene is this? Which is your, this is your what? Ethane. Okay, there is a 2 carbon and single bond between these 2 carbon. That is what? Ethane. You can see here hydrogen is get added with this what? Alkene, that is ethene. And what we get? An alkane, that is ethane. Okay, this is what? Reduction. Adding of hydrogen is reduction. Okay, if I say in terms of oxygen, what is reduction? That is, in terms of oxygen, okay, when oxygen is removed from the reaction, for example, when carbon in the reaction of photosynthesis, okay, carbon dioxide and water, okay, combines, okay, to give what? Your glucose, and oxygen is removed. Okay, here oxygen is removed in the reaction, okay, to formation of product. Hence, this is an example of what? Reduction. Understood? Okay, in terms of electropositive and electronegative element, first you should know what do you mean by electropositive and electronegative element. Let's see what do you mean by electropositive and electronegative element. Guys, you must study in 10th standard. Okay, what is mean by electropositive and what is your electronegative. Electropositive, you must have heard about electropositive, that all metals are what? All metals are your electropositive. Electropositive means what? इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव का मतलब क्या, मेटल्स क्या करते हैं, दे लूजेज इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, व्हाई दे लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन, लेट्स सी by give an example. Suppose this is your sodium metal. Okay, sodium metal with atomic number of 11. Okay, its electronic configuration is what, if I, electronic configuration means what, distribution of electrons in cell, that is called what, electronic configuration. In this case electronic configuration will be what, 2 8, how much, 1. In the first cell there is a 2 electron, in the second there will be 8 electron, okay, and in the third there will be 1 electron. Okay, so you can see here, to complete its octet means to complete 8 electrons in the third cell, sodium needs 7 electron. Okay, but there is an second option also, if sodium loses its 1 electron, then also it can become stable, or their octet will be completed. Okay, see here, if sodium loses its 1 electron, the electronic configuration will be what, 2 8. Sodium 7 electron क्यों नहीं लिया, because in transition of electrons, okay, in transition of electrons, sodium needs more energy if sodium gets 7 electron. Okay, 7 electrons लेने में there will be more energy required, that's why sodium 1 electron lose करता है और 2 8 के, that is normal gas configuration attain करता है. Okay, after losing 1 electron, sodium get stable, okay, or attain the normal gas configuration. Okay, that is 2 8. Okay, it loses 1 electron, that's why it has 1 positive charge. Okay, sodium has 1 positive charge, that's why metals are called as what, electropositive. Okay, that's why metals are called as what, electropositive. Then what do you mean by electronegative? Electronegative is what, in case of electronegative, non-metals gain electrons to become stable. Okay, आपने सुना होगा all non-metals, all gases are non-metals. Your oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, all these gases are what, non-metal. For example, in case of chlorine, what is the atomic number of chlorine, that is your 17. Okay, configuration is 2 8 7. Here you can see chlorine needs 1 electron to complete its octet. Okay, chlorine needs 1 electron to complete its octet, that's why it has 1 negative charge. Why? Because it received 1 electron to complete its octet or to become stable, that's why it has 1 negative charge. Okay, that's why we say all the non-metals or all the gases are electronegative. Okay, if I discuss redox reaction in terms of electropositive element or electronegative element, then let's see what is oxidation in terms of electronegative element. Now you understood what you mean by electronegative element. Suppose this is your magnesium, okay, this is your what, fluorine. Okay, magnesium combines with fluorine, that is electronegative. Okay, gives what, MgF2. Okay, in this reaction what happens, this is what, your electronegative element. Okay, electronegative element combines with other element or substance. Okay, this is nothing but example of what, and form the product. This is what, addition of electronegative element is called your oxidation. Okay, addition of electronegative element, fluorine is electronegative element. Okay, and fluorine is added in the reactant to form the product. This is what? This is also example of what? Oxidation. Okay. Addition of what? Electronegative element is called oxidation. And for example, your oxygen, जब स्टार्ट किए थे हम लोग तो हमने देखा ऑक्सीजन, when oxygen is added, that is your what? Oxidation. Oxygen is also electronegative ना. Okay. Oxygen has 2 minus charge. Okay, minus charge, it means what? Oxygen is also gas. Okay, they are non-metals. Oxygen is also a non-metal, that's why it is also an electronegative element. Okay, so that's why when oxygen or electronegative element is added in the reactant to form the product, that is your which reaction? Oxidation. Okay, so adding of this electronegative element is your oxidation, and removal of electropositive element is also an oxidation. Okay, removal of electropositive element is called what? Like when we add hydrogen, which is also electropositive na, when we add hydrogen, okay, we get what? When hydrogen is removed from the reaction, that is what? That is which reaction? That was what? Reduction. Similarly, when any electropositive element is added in the reactant to form the, is removed from the reaction, that reaction is what? Reduction. Okay, in terms of in case of your what? Reduction, then addition of what? Addition of electro what? Positive element will be what? Addition of any electropositive element. Okay, that will be what? That will be your reduction. Okay, जैसा हमने हाइड्रोजन केस में देखा था, जब हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है, that reaction is my reduction. Hydrogen is also electropositive. Okay, so if any electropositive element is added in the reactant to form the product, that reaction is what? That reaction is reduction. Okay, similarly, if any electronegative element is removing from the reaction to form the product, that will be also reduction. Okay, so this was the redox reaction. Okay, if I give you examples of this reaction in your day-to-day life, then you must observe that when an apple is cut, okay, and it is exposed into air for some time, then after some time brownish layer is get deposited on the surface of that apple. Okay, that is nothing but what? That is nothing but our oxidation. Okay, oxygen is added in that reaction. Okay, if I give you another example, then rusting of iron. Okay, when iron is exposed into air, what happens? It react with oxygen and get rusted. Okay, that is also an example of what? Oxidation. Okay, this is what your oxidation and reduction process. Okay, if I talk about reducing agent and oxidizing agent, reducing and oxidizing agent means what? What is reducing agent and oxidizing agent? Reducing agent is also called reductant. Okay, it is also called what? Reductant. And oxidizing agent is also called what? Oxidant. What do you mean by reductant and reducing agent? Reducing agent is what? Reducing agent means it is an agent which itself get oxidized and reduced to the other species. Okay, वो खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन में जाता है और किसी दूसरे स्पीसीज को रिड्यूस करता है. ओके, दैट इज माय रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. अंडरस्टूड? What do you mean by oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent itself get reduced and causes what? Reduction to other species. We will see, if I give you an example of oxidizing agent, then your KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, and your K2Cr2O7 and K2Cr2O7, this is what? This is a well known, well popular oxidizing agent, okay, potassium permanganate and your potassium dichromate. These are what? Most popular, okay, commercially used oxidizing agent. We will discuss it about this reducing and oxidizing agent in the next video. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe this or like it.